very strange, like plastic. Again, chalky. Wood, maybe? It's a lot of like weird non-food smells that I'm getting off of this. What's up, guys? This is American in the Philippines, here with another snack review for Filipino Snacks. Today we're going to be doing a brand review. We're going to do Super Crunch. It's a very popular brand here. I see it everywhere. I tried to get every variety I could find. Today we have 6 different kinds. If I missed one, let me know in the comments what flavor I missed, and I'll go see if I can find that and try it in another video. But today we're going to try at least the most common ones and a few more unique ones that I only see 1 or 2 places. So let's start with the classic, the green. It is tasty sweet corn flavor. Corn and cheese and milk are very popular flavors that you don't get in America very much. So let's see what tasty corn is like. It smells just like corn on the cob. Kind of buttery, sweet smell. Let's give it a shot. We'll get a couple nice round tortilla chips. Instant like butter, salt, creamy, definitely sweet. They're nice. It's kind of like halfway between nacho chips in America and like a dessert. Yeah, it's like you took regular corn chips in America and put a little butter and sugar on them. It's honestly pretty nice. It's not a flavor profile that I'm used to, but it's pretty good. Super Crunch, the classic green. This is one of the more popular that I see. This is a definite, I'm gonna say 7.5. I like it. I don't know if I would go out of my way to buy this one again, but it's solid. 7.5. Cool, that's a good start. Let's try. We'll go with blue, which is another one I've seen. This is the cheese flavor. We also have a cheddar cheese flavor. I don't know what the difference is, but we're gonna find out. So let's get in here. Let's see what the smell is like. Definitely like fake cheese you put on popcorn. They're very orange. Let's take a look. Yeah, you can see a different color for sure. Let's give it a shot. Honestly, like a nacho cheese flavor. It's really nice, not sweet, which I was expecting. Wow, these are really good. Salty, cheesy. It's just like you took tortilla chips and added like a cheese powder to them. Very nice. Kind of like it tastes kind of like Doritos, honestly, nacho cheese Doritos. Wow, these are my favorite for sure so far. We're gonna go 8.6 on these. 8.6 is a pretty high score for me. I don't think I've given anything more than maybe a 9.5. So if you get to try them and you really like salty, cheesy, go for the blue. Super Crunch. The cheese flavor is amazing. Next, let's go for something different. These are their cheese rings, and they're baked. It's a sweet cheddar cheese. A lot, like 4 out of the 6 of these all have cheese flavor. This one smells like chemicals, pool water, like chalk maybe, like school chalk. Maybe I'm old, so I remember when schools had chalkboards. It does kind of smell like chalk to me. They are nice and full, like there's no crumbles in here. Immediate sugar. Yeah, it's like a dessert. Yeah. I mean, the texture is amazing. Very crunchy. The consistency is good. They kind of remind me of like Cheetos a little bit, but if you just made those like a dessert candy type. It taste like candy Cheetos. I would say it's not my favorite. The sweet cheese in the Philippines is a little odd to me, but maybe that's just me. Filipinos seem to love it because obviously every cheese flavor here has sugar in it. But these are nice. I would say not my favorite, so I'm gonna give it a 6.1. If you like sweet cheese though, I mean, these are super nice. It's a smaller bag, so I think this was maybe 7 pesos. I think the other one's maybe 12 or 15. But still very, I mean, 90% full of this bag. So I really like it. Super Crunch seems to give you a lot for your peso. So the value is pretty good. Okay, so 6.1 on those. Let's try, I guess we'll go with this one. I think this one might be my favorite just from the looks. We've got the Nacho Blazing. It says hot and spicy beef flavor. So hot and spicy beef sounds interesting to me. Not a lot of beef chips in America, but quite a few I've noticed here. It does smell like spicy ramen, kind of. This one looks just like Doritos. Very red color, which is nice. Let's give it a shot. Not super spicy, maybe like a 1 or 2. It kind of builds a little bit. It's definitely got a little bit of heat to it. It says, I was looking for what type of pepper. It just says hot and spicy beef powder. So obviously they have their own recipe. It's nice. I like the flavor. I don't know if I like it as much as just the plain cheese. I do like that it's a little bit spicy. It does taste like a hot nacho cheese Dorito, if you've had those in America. Super nice. This bag, though, is only maybe a third full. So maybe that's because it's more specialized item, since it looks different and tastes different than all the rest. But I'll give this one a solid 7.7. Probably second place so far. I like spicy. The beef doesn't come through too much, but it is a little bit beefy, so that's nice. Next, let's try, I guess we'll try some sweet baked puffs. Several of these have different textures, cooking methods, consistencies. Like we've seen Dorito type, we've seen rings, we've seen tortilla chips, and now we've got little balls. It smells just like the original sweet corn. And that's what this is, sweet corn flavored snacks. Let's try it out. Yeah. It's like a puffy version of the green one. These are very, very similar. Let's try it side by side. These just have a sweeter flavor. Maybe it's because it has more surface area since it's a big puffy thing. It's nice. Again, with the sweet corn. Not my favorite type of flavor, but pretty good in general. Mild. It's kind of like almost caramel popcorn if you add a little more salt to it. Good. This will give it a solid 6.7. Pretty good, not my favorite. If you really like sweet corn flavor, this is a great little snack. And the baked, maybe it makes it slightly healthier. Let's see. Only 100 calories per serving, and this one is 170. So yeah, much less calories than these. So if you want a little healthier snack, go for the baked ones. We got one more. This is another very popular, the yellow. This is the cheddar cheese. Cheddar is one of my favorite cheeses, but they're hard to find real cheddar cheese here in America, or here in the Philippines. Very strange, like plastic. Again, chalky. Wood, maybe? It's a lot of like weird non-food smells that I'm getting off of this. It does have a nice orange look to it. tortilla chips again. Let's give it a taste. Yeah, the taste is kind of fake too. Not cheese. Wow. I would say the texture of these is kind of stale as well. I don't know if that's just that I held the bag too long and so they got a little stale, but gosh, it smells just like wood and plastic chairs, and it's very, very strange. So I would say this one is not my favorite. It doesn't taste very cheesy at all, even though it claims to be cheese. So the winner today, I'm gonna give this a 5.8. Probably my least favorite so far, but the winner is definitely the blue cheese. Give it another shot. Classic nacho, very nice. So if you get to try any Super Crunch varieties, I suggest the blue or the blazing, or even the cheese rings if you like them sweet. So that's all the video today, guys. If there's any more snacks you think I should try, let me know. I still have a bunch more snacks waiting to try, so I hope to try every Filipino snack I can get my hands on over the next 6 months or year. We'll see how long these videos keep going. But thanks a lot for watching, guys. We'll see you later. Bye.